This here is what we're going to be having tonight. This is a glass of rum and grape juice, I guess, for 20 pesos. That's the deal. It's definitely a party. Dinner for two with live music by the poolside. Well, we came to Paliton Beach to see the sunset. Unfortunately though, it's mostly covered by the sun. Unfortunately though, the sun is mostly covered by the clouds, so we're not gonna see much of a show here. Still a nice sight. The sand is soft, the water's clear. We're gonna spend a little time here and then go back to our little tent hut and then go look for a party. There are plenty of parties happening here every night.
Because there's only because their town fiesta is coming up on the 28th. We're just gonna miss it by a day, but they are partying the whole week leading up to the actual fiesta day.
Yep, so at least we have some party to look forward to. Looks like somebody else came here to see the sunset as well, but yeah, good luck to them. So the beach excursion is over and now it's time to party. Party, party! But first, we have to get something to eat. We are really hungry. Tons of party people here tonight. This is the kind of signs that you should see everywhere on the beach. Unfortunately, it's just not a thing. That's why people leave their garbage wherever they go. It's very unfortunate. Let's check out what they have over here. Annabelle's restaurant. Sumba. Fast food. So tonight is going to be barbecue chicken with rice. Because what else can I have besides rice? One thing that I find very interesting over here is that of all this open food here, all this open meat, all the meat over there, all the meat everywhere, there are no flies buzzing around and trying to eat it all. That's so weird. Look at this. Just clean meat wherever you go, wherever you see. In a lot of other markets that I've seen, they have these silly looking propellers that are spinning around to try to get the flies off, but look at this. They don't even need them here. It just kind of dawned on me that that's pretty cool. This here is what we're going to be having tonight. Well, how is this for a bargain? Dinner for two for 140 pesos with live music by the poolside. Yeah, you can get that in Manila.
Really wanna go out tonight. Never used to go out without you. Not to remember how to.
It's definitely a party. The live music is over, but the party continues.
I don't know if I like my outfit. I tried everything in my closet. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this stress and these Jimmy Choo's. Taking them off 'cause I feel full. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'm set down and it's lingerie. You're gonna call it something haters. In LA.
Actually, hold on a second. I need to make a note of this. This is a glass of rum and grape juice, I guess, for 20 pesos. That's the deal. Except we already have our own tanduay. Here we go, avocado fruit shake. Oh, so good. Avocado shake, oh my god, this is delicious. So good. Maybe a little bit too much sugar though, as usual. Yeah. Oh well, what can you do? Well, we came, we saw, we ate, we had a pretty good time, and now it's time to go back.